Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making the raspberry peekaboos from the Betty Crocker Lost Recipes cookbook. To start off, I've got a cup of raspberries, to which I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of cinnamon and a half a teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. These will get stirred together and then I'll set them over to the side until I need them in a little bit. In another bowl I have 2 cups of Bisquick, to which I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 cup of softened butter, and 2/3 cup of milk. This just gets stirred together just until the Bisquick has moistened. Into 2 muffin pans that have been liberally greased up with a little bit of butter, I'm just dropping in 1 tablespoon of the Bisquick batter and spreading it out across the bottom of each one of them. The next step is to take 1 tablespoon of the raspberry mixture and place it on top of the Bisquick. Once all the raspberries have been distributed, it now gets topped off with another tablespoon of the Bisquick mixture. These are now going to go into a 400-degree oven where they're going to bake for about 13 to 15 minutes or until they've turned a light golden brown. Once the muffins came out of the oven, I allowed them to sit in the pan for about 10 more minutes, and then I transferred them over to a wire rack. Now it's time to make the icing. In this bowl I have 1 cup of powdered sugar as well as 1 pinch of salt. I'll be adding in a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. In here I have 2 tablespoons of milk. I'm going to start off by adding about 1 tablespoon and seeing how thick it is. If I need a little bit more, I will add the remainder of the milk. Now that it's reached a good consistency, I'm going to go ahead and start drizzling it across the top of the muffins. Alright, with them all iced, I'm just going to set them over to the side and allow the icing to set up a little bit before I try one out. The icing's finally set up. It didn't take very long. And now I can go ahead and try one of these guys out. They smell incredible. These are absolutely delicious. The biscuit is nice and tender and buttery, and the raspberries add a nice pop of freshness with a little hint of cinnamon every once in a while. I think I would have liked just a tad bit more lemon flavor, but overall these are incredible and something I think I could make again and again. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you guys have enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Valker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.